Hi, my name is Richard Mortier from Vipadia, and I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of our new online meeting room plugin for HotCRP. It uses our clackpoint system. So first, I'm here at a HotCRP installation. I'm going to sign in as the chair of this particular conference. I don't need to update my profile. So, looking now at the front page as you log in, you'll see that for the chair and PC members, there's an extra link been added underneath conference information, linking you to an online TPC meeting. So if you click that link, a new window will be popped up, or a new tab in this case, taking you to an online TPC meeting room. I guess the first thing to notice about this is this Flash gadget that's been installed on the page here, Flash object on the page here. This gives you access to an instant messaging conversation taking place among all the current members of the PC who are logged into the site and are viewing this page. On the left of the screen here, we have a people list. This shows you the current members of the PC who are logged in and taking part in this messaging exchange, and also shows you their status. So you see here the green dots indicating everybody is currently available. If they were to go idle or to go away, then the colour would change from yellow through to red. For those that are also dialed in to the conference, to the meeting room, you can see a speaker icon next to their name. So if you also wish to dial in, all you have to do is click here on the call button. Let Flash have access to your microphone and speakers.
You are entering the room.
And after a short welcome message is played, you'll be placed into the audio stream in the conference. So here we can see that the chair now has the speaker icon next to them. The lines indicate that the chair is currently speaking. If you go silent for a second or two, then the lines will go away. So speaker detection takes place for those members currently dialed into the conference. If it turns out that you don't have a sufficiently recent version of Flash for dialing in from your browser, you have to require Flash 10 for that. You can also enter the conference using the participant code that's shown up here in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Either you can call in by a SIP URI, so simply clicking on the call by SIP link here will take you into the conference using a participant code. You can call in via Skype, so clicking here will launch Skype, and then from the Skype keypad you can enter the participant code when prompted. And finally, if you wish to, then you can drop down this box here to get access to the current telephone numbers that will enable you to dial into the conference. Again, use your participant code when prompted. In all these cases, when you dial into the conference, you'll be placed into the conference with your speaker indication matching your instant messaging indication. So let's say we now want to actually begin the discussion. As the chair, what you can do is you see this link here in the upper left hand corner titled Search Papers. If you click that, you get taken to the HotCRP search screen. However, if you search for all the papers in the system, you'll see that the paper list has been modified to give you a discuss link attached to each paper. Clicking the discuss link and going back to the meeting room, you'll see that you now have 3 extra links in the upper left hand corner. You have discuss paper number 3 in this case, eject conflicts for paper number 3, and return conflicts for paper number 3. So let's say we wish to start discussing paper number 3. We click discuss 3 and that places some information into the text chat automatically, giving us the paper ID, the title of the paper, the authors of the paper, the current conflicts for the paper, and finally a link which, when clicked, will pop up the screen with the reviews entered into HotCRP for that paper. Obviously, something that you need to do when chairing TPC discussion very commonly is to eject conflicts. And we make this very easy. All you have to do is click eject conflicts number 3, and using the HotCRP conflict information, the plugin will eject the 2 PC members that are currently dialed in this case PC2 and PC3. They will be ejected from the audio part of the conference, so they can still see any messages typed into this instant messaging window, but they will not be able to hear any audio currently taking place between the chair PC4 and PC1. In fact, they've been placed into their own subroom, so they can continue to discuss or chat among themselves, but they will not be able to say anything into the main meeting room. They will not be able to hear anything from the main meeting room. So at this point, you can now discuss the paper number 3. When you decided to finish discussing it, All the chair has to do is click return conflicts for number 3, and that will automatically bring the 2 PC members who are conflicted back into the conference, into the main meeting room. Having done that, you may go on to discuss paper number 4, so clicking the discuss link in the search window. Going back to the meeting room, we see that the links at the top left-hand corner here have changed, and you go through the same process. So discuss number 4 places the same information as the text chat. Here we see now that PC members 2 and PC member 1 are conflicted to this paper. Again, the chair would go ahead and eject those conflicts. So here we see PC members 1 and 2 are being placed into the subroom. In the main meeting room, PC members 3 and 4 and the chair, myself, remain, and we can now discuss this paper. And then when we've finished, all we have to do is click return conflicts, and the 2 PC members, conflicted PC members, will be brought back into the main room. So I hope that's given a quick introduction to what's possible with this clackpoint meeting room plugin for HotCRP. If anybody's interested in using it, please feel free to contact us using the URLs shown below. For more information about clackpoint in general and the interface, details of the user interface, also please see the main clackpoint website. Thank you.